Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo XC60. This is a 2019 model. I'm just going to show you where you can top up some Screenwash fluid. So I've got mine here. This one is already mixed and ready to be poured into the tank. So the Screenwash fluid obviously is the one that comes out the jets, which are located either on the wiper blades or on the bonnet, depends on the car, and help you clean your windscreen, and especially in winter it's quite essential. So make sure you use the proper stuff, and in this particular car the Screenwash fluid goes in here, and you can get it when you buy it. It might be pink, blue, or in this case it's a little bit green, so just there will be different colors. Buying the whole bottle, it's about £4 or something, £4.99. And also if you buy it ready mixed, you can obviously just pour it in there. If you buy it concentrated, you have to mix it yourself, but definitely recommend to use the proper fluid, because people tend to use sometimes just water, and the water does not clean your windscreen. It also freezes in winter and then it doesn't come out. And the other problem is sometimes people mix water with washing up liquid or some kind of liquid that you use in the kitchen, which then is got too much foam and it just creates a mess on the windscreen. So just use the proper stuff. It's not really that expensive. Clearly this tank was quite empty. So there we are, nice and full, and this will be ready for winter, because, well, depends how much we use it. But since we're at the end of August now, beginning of September on Sunday, then I'm pretty much dreading and contemplating winter is here. So anyway, let's not get too depressed. Well, that's where you can put your Screenwash fluid, so make sure you put the proper stuff and be ready for winter. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video, which is going to be changing the front wiper blades and the rear wiper blades in this car.